Mobile apps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. What about you, young man? What's your name?
My name, Mike
What's your last name?
Robinson.
Mr. Robinson.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask the same question to
I
you.
just feel like, as far as the resume goes, I think it's good to have co-ops. And then, actual projects with experience that you worked on to show that, you know what you're talking about. That's just what I think. And then I said environment because you never know who you're dealing with. So just working with different people, how to be a people person.
Diversity.
Like that, yeah. Diversity, yeah.
Very good, all right. My criminal justice people, what do you all want to be as an asset on your resume when you graduate from Lane? As far as exposure,
across the board. I want to work in the court system.
Okay.
Build it up. Like I want to be able to get my foot in. I'm like with the police, so
Policing.
Yes.
Okay.
The probation office.
Okay.
I want to be able to go any route. I want experience in everything,
Okay.
so I can't be denied.
Okay. Very good. Anybody else?
So
Criminal
I'm
justice
thinking-
folk?
Yeah. So I'm going.
And then
Okay, I'm sorry.
you next.
That's fine. That's fine.
Come on.
Okay.
Miss Foster.
Yeah,
she
she
had
knows.
her
I'm
hand
sorry.
up.
Yeah,
Come
you-
on, tell me what's your, and then I'm gonna ask Miss Foster. Come on.
I agree with her. At the same time, for me, it would be environment, because I'm used to one environment, so I would love to be diverse.
Okay.
and
So
get-
diversity is a big deal.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody? Okay. What else? Anything else? All right, Mr. Lewis, I'm picking on you. What do you want to be as a feather in your hat in criminal justice before you graduate? You gotta have an idea. Come on. Tell me. What I mean. What do you want to have on your resume as far as being exposed to when it comes to criminal justice? When we are undergrad students, we need to have those type of thoughts in our brain, okay? Because we want to go to the next level, okay? And I'm always talking about in my criminal justice class, leveling up, next step. Am I right, you all criminal justice folks? So, what do you want to have as an asset, a feather in your hat? Come on, you gotta have an idea. Okay, we gotta start thinking, and our brain has to start percolating at something. At some point, have an idea. Miss Foster, I'm sorry. Come on.
No, you're fine. So I do piggyback on what she was saying and what he said as well as far as diversity. That is one of my number one keys. I'm going to look forward to social behavior. I want to go into rehabilitation, and the reason why I want to do that because I see that a lot of peers, males, and I do stick with the male versus to female, because the system is really hard when it comes to black men, and they have less resources than female. Women that we may have, we have open doors compared to what they have. Doors are more closed for them. So it causes more of a mental behavior for them. It causes them to act out more, and it also causes them to become involved with the system way early. So these are some of the credentials that I would like to have on my resume to go into the court system when it comes to defending criminal minds. That way we would have a better understanding of the choices that they've made and try to reintegrate and try to change them from that behavior.
Even the plan.